We want to democratize the process of entrepreneurship, which is very interesting because it will impose on us much more flexibility on our business models. Because we need to cater to individuals that are at the beginning of something big, but they not necessarily have the resources to found whatever is necessary, or the equipment and the tools in order to make what they are thinking possible. SOLIDWORKS is doing two things. First of all is being very flexible in the business model, so you don't need to acquire SOLIDWORKS licenses, for instance, with one perpetual license in one shot with capital expenses. You may opt to rent them. You may opt to go into what we call term license, which is more an operating expense. So make it more affordable for startups. Not only that, we have a program for new entrepreneurs. If you are a new company and you don't have the means to fund your technology needs, we help you. We can give you all our portfolio for free in exchange of a very modest application fee. And until you are able to stand up on your feet, we will be there every step. Entrepreneurs also need advice. They need to talk to experienced business people and in order to move their enterprise to the next level. So we are working with places like incubators or accelerators or fabrication labs all over the world to educate them on how to make it possible, to the point that we have even built a fabrication lab called the 3D Experience Fab Lab in collaboration with the MIT Fab Lab Foundation that does exactly that. Actually, as I speak, there are young entrepreneurs there trying to realize their ideas, and we are there to help them, to recommend them how to best approach their enterprise from a business and from a technology point of view, all the way. So we are widening dramatically the spectrum of people we talk to. It's not only established businesses, established companies, but everybody that wants to make something can rely on us being there for them.